Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to solve mock tests related for reasoning. As you know that in these examinations, you can expect 30 different questions from reasoning itself. And in the entire video, I'm going to discuss both concept and approach for each and every individual question. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different competitive examinations. Definitely our content will help you preparation guys. And we already completed topic wise videos in both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. If you're not good at the concept, go and watch all the videos. So in every video I covered the whole concept and different examples in this particular topic. So all the videos are available in the playlist. Just check and try to solve as many as questions. And today, so mock test is all about the entire reasoning. So total we have 16 different topics in the reasoning part. So we prepared according to this examination pattern. Yes, so we will start the questions. So in every question, I will give some time, try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. So let's start this data. If 2 is added to the odd digit and 1 is added to the each even digit of the number. If the number is 8, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 1, then how many digits will be appear more than once in a new number thus formed? Let's go through this question. See, they clearly mention that if it is an odd digit, add 2. Even digit, subtract 1. Then this is the number. Now the question you have to identify that how many digits will be appear more than once in the new number thus formed. Even digit subtract 1. So the number is 7 itself. Odd digit add plus 2. Then the resultant is 5. Again it is plus 2 is 5. And subtract minus 1 the resultant. Again subtract minus 1, it's again 5. Odd digit plus 2, then the resultant is 9. Finally again plus 2 is 3. Another question, how many digits will be appear more than once? More than once means 2 or more than 2 also. See, 5 repeated more than once, 5 is repeated more than once, and 3 is also repeated more than once. Total, there are 2 digits which are repeated more than once. So your option is 2. Next. Now here the question in the following traits, that each group of the letter is related to the subsequent one following in a certain logic. And select from the given options then one which following the same logic. See, here 1 and 2 follows the same logic and one of the option is also follows same logic. Now identify that which of the suitable option. This is like a similar pattern. Now see, N, E, S, T. So they represented E, then S, then N, then T. So last letter position is same. After that again see, this starts with a T, then S, then E, then N. In the same way, G, O, N, E follows the same rule. See, the first one must be O, and the next letter is N, and here letter is G, and the last letter is E. And the same logic, 1 and 2 follows the same logic. In the same pattern here the first letter must be E, then N, then O, then G. Same way, which of the option follows the same logic? See, lies. So here S, S, yes, we get the same. Again, L can be the last position. Let's check with the remaining one. See, L, I, E, S. So we need I, next letter L. Sorry, next letter is E. I, E, L, S we require. I, E, L, S. Same way, here S according to the same pattern. Then we have to take first here. Next one is E. Next one is I. And the last one is L. So here the best option is 1. Next. So which of the number should, means we have a alphabetical same number which should be replaced in this question mark. See, I, C, V, 16th letter, L, G, S, 5th letter, O, K, P, minus of 6, R, O, M, minus of 17. If you observe that we are subtracting minus 11 units every time. So minus 11 minus of 27, then the resultant is minus 28. We can see only option. So don't go with the remaining 3 alphabetical. We can able to identify the option, right? So directly you can choose option is 3. If you go with alphabeticals, 9th letter, 12th letter, 15th letter, 18th letter, we need 21st letter. 21st letter is U. Now third letter, 7th letter, 11th letter, 15th letter. Again, 19th letter we require. 19th letter is S. V22, S19, P16, M13. Subtract 3 units again. We require 10th letter. So answer USJ is the correct answer. Next, we have a elements in the row. They consider that, see, this is the left and this is the right. Now, this is the condition you have to understand. To see this information, how many such numbers? We need number. How many such numbers? Each of which immediately preceded by symbol. See, number is preceded by symbol. Number is preceded by symbol and also immediately followed. Number is followed another number. See, here the question, we need how many numbers? We need these number. See, you can place any digit, no issue. But this number before we need symbol, after number we need again number. So how many such pairs are available? Let's pick the numbers directly. So these are all the symbols. Let's take the 6. 6 is the first number. Before you can see the symbol, after you can see the number. Again, 7 is not possible. Why? Because before number, after symbol. But our condition is first symbol, then number, then number. Then again anything is possible. So you can't find any other number. See, this is also not possible, this is also not possible, not possible, not possible, not possible, and not possible. So we have only one number is available in the data, that is 6 itself. Next, from the question, logical deduction or syllogism. Now see here, all T's are bins. All T's are bins. No T is sock. No T is sock. See, we cannot place any of these object into this object. Now question here. So conclusions you should verify in the picture. Some socks are bins. You can't see any direct overlapping the picture. See, any some comma all conclusions we need direct overlappings in the picture. So if you see any overlapping, definitely that conclusion is follows. Otherwise, not follows. All bins are socks. Again, you can't find any direct relation in the picture. So there is no possible of complementary pair. So answer, none of the conclusion is follows. Next. As you know that, see, direction reference, right hand is always east, then this is west, top is always north, and this is south. See, east left side north, right side is east. Here left and right. Again right, left, right and left. Why? Because if you go through this particular topic, most of the information is all about like a left turn and right turn only. It's all about the turns. You see, first information starts from point 1, drives 19 kilometers west, 19 kilometers towards west, and takes right turn. Right side of west is north and covered 10 kilometers. He turns right again. So right side of north is east and covered 11 kilometers. And finally again one more right turn. So it's a south and it's exactly 10 kilometers they covered. And they spot Z and starts from 5. Now the question, how far is all about the shortest distance from towards which direction should the point Y again. So what is the direction here? And direction and distance. Remember guys, if you've seen any information as opposite direction, north and south, then the resultant is 0. Now you can see that west and east, both are opposite directions. See, opposite directions, if you want distance, find the difference. If it is the same direction, just addition. Now see, west and east both are opposite to each other. Opposite direction, if you want the distance, remember that just find the difference of those values. Difference between 19 and 11 is 8 units. But what about the direction? Remember guys, in a given comparison, whatever the highest number represents the direction. So here the direction reference is west. So answer 8 kilometers west. But my question, see, my question. So now finally that person is Z, he wants to move towards Y. So if you want to move towards Y, he need to travel in which direction? 8 meters east. Remember guys, this answer is all about in which direction Z with respect to Y. So this is the final. He reaches at a Z point with reference to Y, where he is exactly means answer is west. But here my question, in which direction he need to travel to reach Y? That's why answer is opposite of east. Opposite of east is, sorry, west is east. So answer 8 kilometers towards east. Again, just find the odd one out. See, odd one out is all about out of four, three are similar. Three are similar, one is different. Now you have to identify that different element. So you should verify that which of the three are similar and which one is completely different than that similar one. Now see, let's convert these alphabetical into the numerical. 8th letter, 12th letter, 6th letter, 13th letter, 17th letter, 11th, K11, O15, I9. Finally, F6, J10, C3. Now see, it's plus 4 minus of 6, plus 4 minus 6, plus 4 minus 6, plus 4 minus of 7. If you observe that, first three options follows the same rule. So it is like a similar one. If you observe the fourth one, it is completely different than above three conditions. That's why FJC is a odd one. Next. Let's see this question from blood relations. Let's understand this information. T is the daughter of A. T is the daughter of A. See, for male, I'm just using positive symbol, female is negative. For understanding the gender in the data. A married to M. M is the son of K. If M is the son of K, concluded that A is female. K married to J. See, two lines represents the spouse relation. J is father of D. If J is father of D, definitely M and D are siblings. And we don't know the gender of D till now. D is brother of N. Now D is the brother of N. So this single line represents the sibling relation. G is son of N. Now G is son of N. And we don't know the gender of N. Now we are done with the data. Now the question, K is a female person. Now K related to T. See, how is K related to T? So definitely K is T's father's mother. So answer is father's mother is the correct answer. See, you just post your answer in the comment section. How many how many male persons in the above diagram? This is the one question. And second one, how is A related to N? So these are the two questions. Try to post your answer in the comment section. So move on to the next question from coding and decoding. It's all about comparison. We have two informations like his attitude is coded as NTPC. His first salary is coded as KTLOYG. Now the question, how is his coded in that given language? So in the both these statements, you can able to see that his is the common word. If the word is common, definitely code language is also common. So observe that NTPC. So if you observe that if any word is common, then code language is also common. The perfect answer is YC. Guys, this is my Telegram channel. After every live session, I will update my PDF in my Telegram channel only. Just search at the rate of V2VBK. You can get my channel name V2V Prep and go through the content if you like. You just follow us and share this information with your friends also. Just scan this QR code. That's enough. This scanner will be redirect into my Telegram channel. Next, let's go through the next question. Now see, in a row, people all are facing north. All are facing north means consider this is left and right condition. This is a completely right hand and left hand. Now Rikshit is 31st from right hand. So this is the place you can confirm Rikshit. See, this is the Rikshit position and towards right we have 30 more people. And Palak is 32nd from right hand. So immediate left person is Palak. This is Palak. Next, the number of people between Palak and Dikshit. No person is there. And same as number of people between Palak and Huma. So you can confirm that this is Huma. Why? Because here the gap is 0, here the gap is 0. Now Huma is 10th to the left end. So exactly here 9 people. Now the question, how many people are there? So 9 plus Huma, Palak and plus 30. Total count here 9 plus 3 12, and the total number of persons in a row is 42. The number of people between Palak and Rikshit is same as number of people between Palak and Huma. And there is a no person here. Here also you cannot place any person in this gap. And the total count in this information is 42. Next. See, for any simplification, you always follow the Bodmas rule. And each letter stands, B stands for bracket. And you have to complete the calculation within the bracket. Next priority goes for off. D is all about the division. M is all about the multiplication. A is addition. And S is subtraction. Now see, in the given data, statements are mentioned that each and every alphabetical as in a one of the mathematical operation. So 46, A stands for division, divided by 2. And C stands for plus, plus 21. D stands for minus, minus 8. B stands for multiplication. First, see, this is exactly 23. Again, 18 to 3 is 24. So 23 plus 21 minus 24 is the result. Clear? And the difference is minus 3. 23 minus 3 resultant is 20. Next, we have a 5 3-digit number. See, here the numbers are 324, 523, 643, 136, 441. Here the information says that if 3 is added to the first digit of every number, 3 is added, then it becomes 6, 8, 9, 4, and 7. Then 3 is added to the first digit of every number. Then how many numbers will be first digit is exactly divisible by second number. So definitely 6 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 2, but 9 is not divisible by 4, and 4 is not divisible by 3, 7 is not divisible by 4. So you can able to say that only two numbers. Two numbers you can able to see. Try to solve this puzzle. Now see, total we have to arrange 7 boxes, and no need to pick the same order. So we have to arrange 7 boxes. Let's consider the 7 places. Now here the data says that no box is kept above B. No box is kept above B. We can confirm that B placed it exactly in 7th position. Only 3 boxes between B and N. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes between B and N. Only one box is between D and A. So D and A, there is only one box. We are not sure which one is above and below. That's why I am taking this information side by side. Only C is kept below O. Only C is kept below O. A is kept immediately above N. A is kept immediately above N. So there is a 1 means you can take D is at 6th position or 2nd position. Next one, only 4 boxes between D and C. So only four boxes between D and C. Now you already know that they clearly mentioned that only C is kept below O. So means after O, other than C, you cannot place any other element. So we can confirm that this is only possible 2 and 1. Why you cannot place it 6 and 5? Why? Because after O you can see C, A, N, C. It's violate our condition. They mentioned that only C is kept after O. So that's why 2 and 1 is the best position. And we know the data here. There is a one box between D and A, and there is a one element is left. I think so. Only four boxes between D and C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we are done. And there is a one element is missing. You can place M is at in fifth position. Another question: how many boxes kept below M? So below M, how many you can keep? Four boxes. Now, so in a certain code language, GALE is coded as 7531. GALE is coded as 7513. FLEA is coded as 5197. Now the question, what is the code for F in that code language? F in that language. Now if you observe, see, you cannot take exactly position to the position. Observe that we have few repetition of letters. You can see that E is repeated, L is repeated, A is repeated. If elements are repeated, their respective numbers is also repeated. Now see here 7 is repeated means, for example, what is the code language for A? We are not sure. It can be a 7, it can be a 1, it can be a 5, it can be a 5. So here which is not repeated? Why? Because G is not repeated, F is not repeated, then we can confirm the codes. Now what is the code for F means? F you can confirm as 9. But what is the code language for A means? It can be a 7, it can be a 5, or it can be a 1. At that time, we are not sure. But in this question, we can conclude that code of G is 3, F is 9. Next, try to solve this question. Now, see, 7 people A, B, C, D, U, V, W sitting in a row, all are facing north. So, here north means left and right. Total 7 positions. So, for your reference, I'm just taking the number. But while practicing, don't write any numbers. Now the data says that only two people sit right of C. So right of C only two people means you can confirm that fifth position. And only two people sit between C and U. So U is not possible in right side. You can confirm that U must be in left side. So second position. Only two people between A and V. So we are not sure. Let's take this information aside. A and V. There are two people. V sits immediate left of C. Okay. Immediate left of C is fourth position. And we know that V, so A can be a seventh position or first position, still you can hold that information. T sits to the immediate right of W. T is immediate right of W. We need two places in a consecutive position. That is only you can able to see in 6 and 7. So that's why we can conclude that this is W and T. and fix this data, A must be in first position. So we have one element is left, A, B. So B exactly in third position. Now the question says that who sits third position from left end of the line? So left end of the line, who sits B? Just I want to give one more question. Try to answer it. Post your answer in the comment section. So with respect to W with respect to B. So what is the position of W with respect to B? How he sits? Next, let's try this question. One more question from Silox. Now see here, all cabbages are peas. No, is broccolis. Now the question, no broccolis is cabbage is absolutely good. Why? Because see, statements itself clearly mention that you cannot merge any elements of peas and broccoli. But how we can assuming cabbage into the broccoli? It's not at all possible. That's why no cabbage is broccoli is always a valid information. It's a valid data. Next one, some broccolis are cabbages. Guys, we cannot see any direct overlapping. If any conclusions related for all comma some, we need direct relation, means we need overlappings. We need overlappings in the picture. If you don't see any overlapping, these conclusions are never follows. So answer conclusion 1. Next, find the next number in the series. Here the numbers 779, 780, 784, 793, 809 dash. See, you can see the difference is plus 1, plus 4, and the plus 9 and plus 16. So all are natural square numbers. See, definitely for the next number we have to add 25 elements. So here answer is 834 is the missing number. See, let's find the numbers here. 7th letter, 14th letter, 10th letter, 17th letter, 13th letter, 16th letter. Same way, D is 4, K is 11, G7, N14, J10, M13. Observe that common sequence here, increasing 7 units, increasing 7 units, here increasing 3 units. So that is the common relation you observed. Let's find the options here. J 10, Q 17, M 13, T 20. So this is wrong. Sorry. This is also plus 7. P 16, R 18. 16, 18 we require plus 2. So this is not exact answer. Second one. JQMT P is 16th, S is 19th plus 3. So that's why perfect option is 2. Guys, this is my WhatsApp channel. You just scan this QR code, you will get my channel name B2B Launchpad. So before following any in my social networks, just go through the content. If you feel it is useful for your career, then you just follow us and share this information with your friends. If you have any questions related to your career or preparation, feel free to reach us either Instagram, Telegram or WhatsApp. We're always there for you. So definitely we will give the best solution for your questions. Feel free to reach us. We're always there for you. Don't forget. Let's find the next one from the series again. See, first of all, here the 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20. We got the number. But there's no point to find the number. Why? Because last element is 20 in every option. So let's find the alphabeticals. See, for the alphabeticals, F, so F sixth letter, fourth letter, second letter, 26th letter, 24th letter, we require 22nd letter is V. J10, H8, F6, D4, B2, then we require 26th letter Z. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. That is the pattern they are going. Next one, N14, L12, J10, H8, BF, and the element is D. So V, J, D, 20 is the correct answer. Next. Now see, so we already discussed this question. So try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. Next. So again, odd one out here. See, eighth letter, fourth letter, 11th letter, sixth letter, second letter, 10th letter, 13th letter, ninth letter, 16th letter, 10th letter, sixth letter, 13th letter. So if you observe here, it's a minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. The plus 7, plus 8, plus 7, and plus 7. You find that second one is different than remaining one. So FBJ is the odd one out. Like, apply the same logic. R A C K A K C R. Again, same pattern they followed here. K C A R. Let's directly go with the option. See here, the last option must be same. This is wrong. So we can find that the last element is sufficient. So answer is 3. Check with the option I, T, E, M, right? Here the pattern, first one is T, next one is M, E, I. And the next taken pattern says that M, E, T, I. Observation is important. See, 456, 457, 455, 456, 454, 453, which one number? 56, 57, 55, 56, 54, and 53. Plus 1, minus 2, plus 1, minus 2. This is 456, 57, 55, 56, 54, again 55, 55, 453. So again plus 1, minus 2, plus 1, minus 2. So definitely plus 1 is the correct answer. The basic one, it's a 454 is the correct answer. See, circular table concept. So ABCD are sitting in a circular table, they are facing center. Total 7 places. Again, for your reference, I am just taking the numbers. 7 places. And the information says that, and all are facing center. So you remember that your respective facing is always be the center representation. So these all are right side people and these all are left side people. First data. B sits second to the right of C. Fix the C. Second right, first right and second right, B. E sits third to the left of B. First left, second left, third left. D is the immediate neighbor of G and A. So D is the immediate neighbor of G and A. F sits second to the left of G. F is second left of G. How many people are sit between A and B when counted left of A? So we have to fix this information. So D is the adjacent of G and A. So this is the only possible. GA and GA. FG, they are see, we have the final element. You can confirm G is at second position. We need F is the left position. So F is the left position of G. We already know that this is, so F is the, so this is the element we can confirm with F. So F is the left of G, so we cannot take G here. Why? Because if it is a J, it's a right side. So that's why this is A, this is C. We are done with arrangement. How many people between A and B? So they clearly mentioned that you have to count it left of A. Left of A this side, 1 and 2 people. So what should come in the place of question mark in the given series? 6, 9, 15, 24, 36 dash. So here 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 5, 3 into 8, 3 into 12. Or you can find the difference also. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So sum of these two numbers exactly equal to 51. Clear? Next. See one more question from ranking concept. So there are total 105 students in a class standing in a row facing north. 105. 8 people, left people. Ravi is 49th from right end. Ravi is 49th from right end. So 48 people are there. While Shruti is 38th from left end. Shruti is, so 38th. So 37 people are there. Then how many people between Ravi and Shruti? So from here the total count is 38. Here the total count is 49 and the sum value is equal to 87. So how much of difference is all about the between people? So 105 minus 87. So plus 13 people, then the value become 100. Again we need 5 more people. So total number of people between Ravi and Shruti is 18. Again odd one out. 16, 14, 17, 15. 17, 15, 18, 16. Difference of 2 only. 12, 10, 13, 11. US 21, 19, 21, 22. So this is not follows the above pattern. That's why this is wrong. 50 to 81, 70 to 101. Just find the difference. Here the difference between the two numbers is 29. We are finding the difference. Difference is all about higher value minus lower value. So see 84 and 107. So how much of difference here? Plus 16 plus 7 is not 29. So here the difference between 75 and 104. So here 25 plus 4 is 29 difference. Perfect answer. Now let's see one more question from directions. Starts from point A, drives 9 kilometers south. Right turn. South right turn is west. Covered 3 kilometers. In turns right turn. West right turn is north and covered 15 kilometers. He takes again right turn. East side moving 11 kilometers. And finally again right turn south 6 kilometers. And stops at a point P. Starts at A. Then how far each direction driver in order to reach point A again. First we will identify that in which direction P with respect to A. First we will find that P with respect to A. South, south. Same, I told you now, same direction is always addition. So 9 plus 6 is 15. Again north 15. So all these values are cancelled. Finally, west and east both are opposite to each other. Opposite direction is find the difference. Difference between 11 and 3 is 8. And in the direction out of these two, the highest value is the difference. So this is all about in which direction final point with respect to A. But my question is different. In, in which direction that person has to be traveled to reach point A. So answer is distance is same but direction is opposite. Opposite of east is west. See one more condition here. The number 5, 6, 2, 1, 8, 6, 4. How many digits are there repeated more than once? One is added even, one is subtracted odd. So here 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0, 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5 and this is 2. How many digits which are repeated? So 7 is repeated more than once, 4, 3, 9, 5, 2. So no other digit is repeated. So answer is 4. So these are the 30 different questions in today's video. Hope you understand that. You can just download this PDF from the Telegram channel. I will update in the PDF in Telegram itself only. And this is my Instagram ID. You can search V2V Launchpad. You will get my channel. Otherwise, you can scan this QR code. You will get my channel. So that's it. Sir, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. You never miss any updates from our channel. So until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.